5 keys to earning more money. Always wanted to earn more money, but not sure where to start? Well, there are several ways you can earn more money. Free up a little time and pay close attention, because we are about to discuss several ways you can earn more money in the next few slides. These money earning tips include the following: investing, obtaining or buying assets, passive income, real estate, profit sharing. Investing. Investing is defined as putting money to use for profitable income or to accumulate funds. Investing is a great source of passive income as well. Why? Investing can provide a regular source of income. Investing has the potential to grow exponentially. The goal is to buy financial products, also called investments, and hopefully sell them at a higher price than what you initially paid. Investments are things like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and annuities. Obtaining or buying assets. Obtaining or buying assets is defined as a single item ownership to exchange for cash or property available for exchange for payment of debt. An asset is a useful or valuable thing. Assets can be cash, investments, or even inventory. Why obtaining assets can be a key way of earning extra money is because an asset is something that provides a current, future, or potential economic benefit for an individual. Assets versus liability. A liability is money owned and will ultimately take money away from your assets. A liability is a disadvantage to one's ability to make more money because it would take away from funds. Then we have passive income. Passive income is defined as regular monetary income such as rental, interest, pension income, and can even be investment income. All of these forms of passive income can produce ways to earn more money. Why passive income is a great way to earn extra money. It gives you the freedom of time. It reduces your stress and anxiety and even fear of your future. It allows you to pursue doing the things you love rather than what pays the bills. In short, you may be working less. Investing is a great source of passive income as well as the purchasing and selling of real estate property. Brings us to the next slide. Real estate investing. First, to define real estate. Real estate is defined as property in the form of land, building, or even mineral rights. Real estate investing is a good way to earn extra money because, again, the goal is to buy financial products, also called investments, and hopefully sell them at a higher price than what you initially paid. We can follow a value investing strategy of acquiring assets for less than what we believe is their intrinsic value and typically less than the replacement cost, ultimately securing a profit. And profit sharing is defined as allocation of shares to employees. Some examples of profit sharing are stocks, bonds, medical, dental plans, retirement plans, vacation packages, and even lump sum bonuses. Profit sharing helps create a culture of ownership. Why profit sharing is so important? Because it can be one of the pathways to success, and most certainly the foundation for wealth and happiness.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.